This right here is about to be a short video gonna teach you everything you need to know about mixing your two-stroke gas and oil. Where did that go? Here we go. This is gonna be a short video. I'm gonna teach you fast because you know T-Bone to the point. Welcome to Rayleigh's Small Engines. I'm T-Bone. Y'all click that subscribe. All right, we got 3 sizes of oil right here in front of us, and people always ask, well, how much do you put in, blah, blah, blah. I'm gonna teach you the quick way to do it. You got an empty 1-gallon jug, you want 2.6 ounces. Dump the oil in the jug, empty jug. Dump it in, just do what I tell you. Now, when it comes to putting the gas in, we're gonna talk about these in just a minute. I'm gonna show you some, look, it'll be simple. This little bottle to mix 1 gallon up is 2.6 ounces. It's really simple. Dump the 2-gallon, this gives you 50 to 1, but we're gonna change that. What I do is dump the oil in first, and then on your 1-gallon jug, now I don't know the metrics on this stuff, all right? On your 1-gallon jug, you got a little mark, and it says right there 1 gallon. That's how I know that's 1 gallon, but I don't fill it up that far. I already got my oil in the jug, and I'm gonna fill it just below. You know why? Because I like safety. I don't wanna take a chance. You know what I mean? I'd rather have a little too much than not enough. It ain't gonna smoke, but I'll go right about there. That's gonna put you, I'm guessing. I'm not doing math calculations and stuff. I'm guessing that's gonna be 40, 45 to 1, which is fine. Let's talk about something else. After you put the oil in and then fill your gas up to here, give her a little shimmy, shimmy, shake. Let's talk about these other sizes. The next size we're gonna talk about is 6.4 ounces, okay? And the 6.4 ounces is gonna do 2.5 gallons. We don't need that yet. Look on the front of your container. Oh, I gotta show you something about these jugs, make these things pour. Y'all stick around. Look on the front of your container, you're gonna have some marks on a 2.5 gallon jug, or this one does. 1 gallon, 2 gallon, 2.5 gallon. All right, same principle. Empty jug, pour your oil in, and then go a little bit below. What that's doing is just giving you some extra lubrication in your machine. Let's talk about the big one. This one right here is 12.8 ounces. Double the 2.5 gallon, right? That was 6.4, this is 12.8. Do the same thing. Put the oil in the empty can first. That way you just kind of, as you're filling up, you already partially mixed it. And shake that booger head thumb, you know what I'm talking about? And go up here. I'd go up to about here if I was doing 5 gallons. And that's what a lot of my commercial guys are doing. They know it's right every time. Now, the other thing you want to do, clearly mark your jugs, because you don't want to mess up and put regular gas in one, do you? I know you don't. You know, some of these new gas cans, these are old. These new gas cans, you can't, it takes forever. I'm gonna show you how to fix that right quick. You need some of these. This was one right here that was take forever. Not anymore. You can get these off the Jungle website. Affiliate link below. All you do is drill you a hole. There's a couple different sizes. Read the instructions when you get it. It'll tell you what size hole to drill. These here, I think, were a 1/2-inch hole. Drill it out, pop it in, done. Be sure you get grease your drill bit, and that way the little plastic pieces don't go flying down in your can. If it does, rinse it out a little gas. Make sure you get it all out of there. Folks, I want to thank you for tuning in to Rayleigh's Small Engines. I'm T-Bone. This is your Get to the Point channel. Y'all click the subscribe button. We sure appreciate it. Maybe one of them thumbs up. And click that share button. Share them right on over to your friends. And don't forget, follow us on Facebook. What? Yeah. And go check out T-Bone After Hours. There's all kind of stuff going on over there. You don't want to miss that. Oh, T-Bone out doing stuff besides small engines. We'll see you.
Dusty tools by the swamp edge. People swear breaking their heads. Hydro belt snapped in two, cussing in the thick bayou. dog divine. Sweat trips on damp and clay, foam let in the fighting fray. Gators lurking, eyes so green, T-bone trapped in cage unseen.